Hello everyone. Welcome to Crafting with Pretty Designs Silhouette Studio Edition. Okay, I have updated my software. Let me show you what I have. When I go here to have about, I updated to this. If you want to update it, you need to go to the website Silhouette America and go and find on the. Let me see. Let me show you where I got the update from. I went to software right here and I went to get software. Okay, and I went in here, and here you can see your computer, Windows, Mac. I'm doing this, so I have this. And I downloaded this one. Okay, I downloaded this one, and that's how I have this here. Okay. Okay. So I'm working in business edition. I have the business edition. If you don't have it, get it. It's a good software. It will ease all your headaches, your crafting headaches. Okay, get it. Okay, here I show you this guy right here, and this is this guy. I just remove the background. So I'm going to show you how I remove the background. I'll make a copy here and I'll put this one here. Okay, here he is. I'll go to trace. The trace panel is right here, and I'll use this one, and I'll trace over him. Okay, and I will increase my threshold. I want only the guy, so I don't want many things to be attached to him. Okay, and then I will trace and detach. Okay, here he is. I got him out. That's amazing. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. And I'm gonna delete this. See, I got them out. Now I have this part here to do. Let's go in right here, and I'll trace with this one. Trace by color. So I'll start with the lighter color, okay, and then I'll upgrade, increase my threshold like that, and it will go over to the other color right here. Oh, come on now. Okay. Okay, I'll stop here and I'll trace and detach. I will have this piece out. Okay, this is left. I'll go back, trace by color, select this here, and I'll upgrade, like increase my tolerance. Oh, check it out. It's taking it. You see, it's going in. It's coloring it on. You see, it covered everything. Okay, and I'll go to trace and detach. And so I trace everything out. Do you see how amazing it is? So the upgrade does a lot. The upgrade is amazing. It's very, very amazing. Wow, I love it. It has a clean trace. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this guy, his head, to me, his head is too big. It's a chibi, but his head is too big. And by the way, this is an AI image that I created with my own custom nurse AI GPT. My if you're interested in it, let me know in the comment section. I want to make his head smaller. Okay, so I will zoom into this guy, into his neck. Zoom into his neck more. I'll zoom more into his neck right here. So I am going to make a line here. Let me see. I'll draw a line with this. Okay, and I'll stand here and I hold it and I'll draw a line. Okay. Okay, after I've drawn this line, I will dim out this guy. I'll make him a little bit transparent. I'll go here and I'll make him transparent right in here. Okay, transparent, not too transparent, but transparent. So I will take this here and I'll go back here and I will take off some of the edit points so that I can move it freely. So I will drag this up here. I will bring this under here. Okay, under his chin, somewhere there. His chinny chin. And I will bring this part also here. I'll bring this up like under his chin. And this one a little bit down. This one on the sides. Okay. I'll put one more here. And I'll drag it a little bit under here. Let me delete this really quick. And then I'll drag this. Okay. So now I have that line. And I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it. I'll go back here. This is already selected, right? I'll hold shift and I'll select the guide too. And I'll go to modify and subtract. So the thing that we're going to do, the line will subtract where the line is, okay? It will cut it in 2 pieces. You see that? It's cut in 2 pieces. Okay. And now let's select both and let's bring up the color back. Go here and the transparency, bring it back to 0. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this guy head here and I'm going to make it smaller. Make it smaller. Let me go closer. Let's see what we do. And I'll bring his head to the front. Come on. His head all the way to the front. Yeah. And I'll make it smaller. Okay. And then I'll bring his head back here. Let's see what we have. I think his head is better. Very, very better. Maybe I can make it a little bit smaller too. Bring it back here. Oh yeah. This brother looks good. Okay, like here. Let's go in and check what we have. Okay, let's see if I can lift his head a little bit. Okay, I can't go too far. Okay, I think his head is good here. Okay. And then I think his head is good there. Very good. Okay, and then I'll group both. And then we went from this to this to this. I think he looks better with this. Okay, so I love it. And if I'm going to do something with it, or create a Tumblr, make a Tumblr transfer, a Tumblr wrap, he's ready to go. So this is one of the way you can edit, customize, change up your AI image for sublimation or for whatever you're creating. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you have Silhouette Business Edition, don't forget to do the update. Okay, the update has done miracles for me. You have seen just here how the trace works perfectly, better and better and better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. Thank you. Bye.